Get the doors back on the truck. And get the whole body block sanded down to 600 grit. And I have some low spots already filled. And a couple more I need to check. Something here. It's like a wave. Doors line up nice. I did fit the new trigger switches in. New bushings and pins. Forgot to silence cameras. Still need to get this bent when I'm done. And still got a few low spots in the hood. Something here or here. Maybe something there. Double check that later tonight. One spot there, I think it's good to go. Wipe it down and put some primer over these spots once I'm finished. One there. I think it's good to go. Gotta sand these some more. 2 dings here. I think the worst spot I have will be something going on here, because I can feel it. She's up and down and around through here. So maybe some more filling and sanding in this spot. Well, I'll get it ready this week. It's raining today, so I'll just lightly sand it in here, little by little. A few spots on the front of the hood. That one's almost there. I can still feel a lump in it. That needs more sanding. Alright, I won't bore y'all with it anymore. Just wanted to catch the next step. Show it with these doors on. The roof's all dusty. Sand these down and get them ready for probably another coat of base metallic and clear. I believe this is all ready. Something there though, I gotta check it. It's black, pretty much, so everything will show. Remember, after this is painted, this is getting sanded back down and the whole truck cleared as one. And then that polished, wet sanded and polished out. A lot of work still. Come a long ways. Peace. I think the next one should be the Caprice. Till then, God bless.